What a solid trading session this has turned out to be this Friday. Although the start for the markets wasn't as great, we were holding on to a 0.5% kind of gain. And then mid-session, we picked up and managed to close in at the session highs. Net result, we managed to shut shop 244 points higher for the Nifty futures, almost 1.5% uptick coming in, well above the 18,100 print for trade. Most sectors were contributors to today's move. Having said that, the leaders were from the infrastructure space. Financials held out very smartly. Real estate and technology also made a very decent comeback along with telecom. The day, of course, began reacting to earnings. So we had an inline set of earnings coming in from Balkrishna Industries, from a Brigade Enterprises, Godrej Consumer, which did get a little dampened by their raw material cost pressures as well as inflation. But having said that, they've already undertaken price hikes which are going to be in effect come next month, and they believe that they're going to get absorbed well by the markets. Page Industries was another set of earnings which the market also reacted to. Having said that, Tata Steel is what the day began reacting to. The numbers were a tad below what the market was anticipating, considering the consensus estimates were way higher in terms of the positioning on the stock price as well. So Tata Steel, but the street absorbed the numbers very well. The stock held out quite smartly, along with, of course, Hindalco, which was the big dhamaka earnings which came by during the market hours. It was a beat on all counts, be it the PAT, the revenue, the margins, all of it, and the stock as well closed in at the session highs with a 3% gain. Endurance Technologies, Z were the other sub-estimate numbers. Tech Mahindra as well was a big high flyer today. The management commentary has gone down very well with the street, and along with Tech Mahindra, you had a good price action and a rub-off coming in on the rest of the IT pack as well. So be it Infosys, be it Wipro, or for that matter, some of the mid-cap IT names like an LT Infotech as well, they held out very, very smartly. Some of the other buzzers in trade, included the likes of Interglobe Aviation, almost an 8% notch up is what the stock shut shop on futures. Naukri, Strides Arcolab, Idea, ICICI Pru Life were some of the other star performers. On the flip side, though, some weakness coming in for Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp, Axis Bank. They were a couple of the benchmark or large cap laggards. Godrej Consumer, Indiabulls Housing, REC, GMR Infra were the ones which slipped from amidst the broader end of the market. Having said that, the breadth of the market was in ship shape today. From the word go, it continued to favor the advances and closed in also pretty much around the session highs. We had a good 133 count to the advances within the F&O segment, to a 56 count when it came to the declines. Still in the thick of earnings, many believe that choppiness is going to be par for the course, and in the coming days as well, we'll have to learn to deal with a one up day, one down day kind of market texture. So that pretty much seems to be it. Next week as well, or over the weekend, in fact, we'll have a bunch of earnings to react to too. And let's see where the street picks it up. We'll catch you again with all the trading action on Monday morning then.